Dr. Ferguson coming to you from the Passioncam. Hope everybody's doing well. You know, summer's going to be at hand real soon, and I would just encourage you parents and grandparents to make sure that your children and your young adults have helmets and wrist guards and knee pads as they do their skateboards and roller skates and bicycles and unicycles, whatever type of tool they might be using. I would so strongly encourage you to make sure they have a helmet, have the wrist guards if they're going to be doing any kind of skating or rollerboard, things like that. Elbow pads, knee pads could be very helpful. I can remember so distinctly while working in the emergency room one day, a little girl comes in, she's probably about 6 or 7, and her leg is basically hanging off, only holding on by the skin, and she's still alert, and she looks up at me and she says, "But I was wearing my helmet." And so that's a very important point. I can't tell you the number of times that I've worked in the emergency room and I've had someone come into the emergency room, and because they weren't wearing a helmet, they largely become a donor cycle. And largely for motorcycles that are not wearing helmets. Wearing a helmet while on a motorcycle, a full face mask helmet, can definitely be life-saving. If we save the brains, then we can have a great chance of saving the rest of the body. If we don't save the brains, then the rest of the body's in trouble. And that's the type of person that ends up being a donor for somebody else that may need a heart, may need a lungs, may need a kidney. So be safe as you travel this summer. Wear your helmets and make sure you get your kids to wear their helmets and their wrist guards and their knee pads and their elbow pads, because we want them to have a safe and fun, good time during the summer. So on that note, I've gotten to my job. Be safe and have a blessed day. All right, bye-bye.